Hello everyone. Once again, this is Ahmet Efeturk. Now the chapter 7, question number 18. Once again, I want to go. Here, uh, what we did is the C is our center and the ABD is our triangle and the A prime, B prime, D prime is our dilation according to the C. And we put the ratio of 2, and that is why like the B is half of B prime and the C is half of C prime. We can even maybe see it simply. What we can do, we can just measure distance of C 4.59. It means like the possibly 9.19. Yeah, this way. B and B prime also we can see like this. And now what the question number 18 was telling, once again, let's go. What do you notice about the measures of the corresponding angles? So we see like when there is a dilation, no matter like our dilation point is little bit closer or it is further, and the up and down, like the angle doesn't change. We see like the angle A and the angle A prime, 55 point something both of them, or the 49.7 for both of them, and definitely whatever is the D, it will be same because interior angles are 180 degree. So like the changing this point doesn't make any difference. Even if I will try to touch angle A and I am changing it to 60 degree, you see like the here also it is 60 degree. When I change it, definitely the angle B also changing 53, and this is also 53 degree. And corresponding angles are always same after our dilation, no matter if we are changing our shape or if we are changing the place of our center point. It doesn't make any difference. And the question number actually 19 and the 20 is also similar. Like it says that how about sides? So we can see like the sides also 3.1, 6.2, and the 5.8, it means like the 11.6, like it is double. If we try to do A for A and A prime also, we will get the same thing. And the question number 21 is telling that they describe how you would have students use dragging to assist them in noticing that the two triangles are similar. So what we did, we put the 1 over 2, and even like we can make one more here, very dilation, for example, this one according to this center, and this one, let's make it 1 over 2 half. Okay, and it is here. So in this one also, like we see, just it will be half. Sorry, like if I do little bit distance like this, yeah, now that we can see all of them. And this one we can just shift here, this one we can just shift here. You can see like the 1.5, 3.1, I mean 55, and the 3.1, like the exactly half of the B is the B prime sub 1, and the exactly double of the B is B prime 6.2. And the angles, if we see like the angles are always same. So by dragging anything, angle this one and this one, yeah, 38, 38, 38. What I would do for the students, like the two things we can do. First of all, our dilation point, like if we try to change its place, we see like the 38 angles like are not changing, or 29 degree of angles, they are not changing. Secondly, since this is dilation and this is also dilation, like we can touch to this. So if I will just try to touch this one according to center distance to the center point, the others are also changing. So if I will make AB shorter, you see like our dilations are according to certain ratio. That is why A prime sub 1, B prime sub 1 is also, and A prime, B prime is also changing accordingly. And if we want to change the angle, for example, by touching D and making wider, so it became 91, 91, 91. So whatever we do, we can show to students that they are similar. Maybe one last thing, we can show that the AD and the AD, A prime, D prime, they are, since corresponding angles are equals to each other, same like the previous example, or the here as it is shown, like the corresponding angles are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. So that can be also included here. So what is next question? Next question is something related to this, and if we see the question here, like it is something related to dilation based on the mark ratio. So what we will do, we will have 2 points, AB and the CD, I mean the two line segments, and their ratio all will be our ratio, side of the ratios of our image and the pre-image according to dilation. So we can just clean it and bring it here, something like this. Let's see what comes. And here, for first of all, you can draw one polygon, or before polygon, let's have, since it is AB, we can also make AB line segment. So I'm just drawing one line segment here. This is 3 units, and this one is 1 unit. I do CD is 1 unit. And now I can draw one polygon here, for example. Let's triangle. We can continue with the triangle, and we can have one center point. Now what we will do, we will do dilation, but before dilation we need to see what is the ratio of AB to CD. So to do the ratio of AB to CD, F over G, because like the size of AB is F and size of CD is G. That is why from here I just need to see F over G is, we can apparently see 3 over 1, it will be 3, but the F over G, what is it? That will be Z1 equals a certain, yeah, this one maybe I can just make it F divided by G. Yeah, this will be better. So what is it? It is A equals, because it was a capital letter. That's why, like the it took the point of A and the point of G. It was supposed to be small f and the small g. Now A equals F over G, which means 2.62. So it is not exactly 1 unit. It is good that we got the exact figure. So what we will do now, our dilation, we will do, go to the dilation, dilate these according to this one, and it was A, so according to A. So let's see, since it was 2.6 something, so here also now it is 2.6. If I will just make it little further distance, so this will be also, so maybe I can just make it like this, or yes, yes, that is good. So here what the question is, question says that drag the point B and notice what happens as the scale factor changes. It means like in this AB, if I will drag B to make AB shorter or longer, so let's see what it will change. Select the point E prime and choose the trace point. This one we will see at last. Question 31, I want to reply to, answer together. What do you notice about the length of AB and CD when the original and the image quadrilaterals coincide? Now, generally what we can explain is, since we are doing dilation of these similar two triangles according to ratio of AB and CD, we can consider that if EF is, for example, like the one side is AB, the other corresponding side is the CD. So that is why whatever we will change in AB, definitely like the ratio will change, and the pre-image size also will change. For example, now I want to drag it smaller. Since I make it smaller, You see, like the another image is also being smaller. So if I make it long, the longer, then because of the ratio is getting larger, because f is numerator and the g is denominator. So the numerator is, when I make it larger, like the numerator is being larger, so that the ratio is getting larger. So likewise, if I do denominator larger, for example, you see, like the still our image is going smaller. So question number 31 was telling that if the image and the pre-image coincide, it is only possible. It means like the pre-image ratio at the side and the image side will be same. It is only possible when f and g are equals to each other. It means f over g equals 1, and from here we can maybe write here f over g, it is supposed to be equals 1. So which means f equals g. If f will be equals to g, then only they will coincide. So because of that reason, now we can see, for example, AB I am making larger, and you see that it is getting, but if CD I will make it exactly same. You see, like these two images are coinciding. So the other one is what? Like in question number 30, it was telling that the A prime, if we can trace points, display and take the point B. So let's see what happens. So just let's bring the A prime here. You see our center point is here, E is here, and the E prime is here. And I am going to do E prime show trace. So, and I drag the B. You see, like if I make it longer or shorter, and what I see is it goes between from H, and it makes a line, the straight line. It depends on how long will be the AB, and from H to E, whatever is the rise over run, and it is same from H to E prime. Rise, no, sorry, like the ratio is what FG. According to this, the rise over run ratio is also same here. Like this is what we see. Question number 30 and the 31 is also 18, 30, and 31, and the 21. They are all answered here. Thank you very much.